Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you in the microprocessor class. Today we will see as on the last term we have seen the basic concept of the interfacing, how the microprocessor will interface with the LED. यह माइक्रोप्रोसेसर को एलईडी के साथ किस तरह से इंटरफेस कर सकते हैं. In today's class, we will see the keyboard interfacing, then how the keyboard is interfaced because we know that it is the input device with the 8051 microcontroller, and LCD is the output device that is also interfaced easily. Now, first we discuss the keyboard fundamentals along with key press and key detection mechanism. Then we show how a keyboard is interfaced to an 8051. So first interfacing the keyboard to the 8051, as you will see that it is the 4 cross 4, it is the keyboard and it is the LCD display, and here we are using the breadboard, the circuit diagram that shows the interfacing of the it is the 8051 microcontroller that show how the keyboard is interfaced with the microcontroller. Lowest level keyboard are organized in a matrix of row and column. As we know, the keyboards are connected in the row and column form. As shown in the diagram, we are considering the 4 cross 4 matrix connected to two poles. As shown here, it is a 4 cross 4 matrix form, and rows are connected to the one port and columns are connected to the one port. And when normal position, when switch is not closed, it shows the 1, and when switch is closed, then the value will be 0. If these rows are connected with the 0, then value will be 0. To detect a press key, the microcontroller ground all rows by providing 0 to the output latch and it read the column. If the data read from the column is D3 to D0 बराबर इतना, no key has been pressed and the process continues until a key press is detected. And it means if high is coming, no key is pressed. If we are getting the 1, 1, 1, 1 on all the keys, if one of the column bit has a 0, this means that a key press has occurred. For example, if D3 to D0 बराबर इतना, this means that a key in the D column has been pressed. It means the one key that is pressed and due to which it is coming the 0. After a key is pressed, detected, the microcontroller will go through the process of identifying the key. It will try to find out that which key is pressed. Starting with the top row, the microcontroller ground it by providing a low to low DO only. When it read the column, if the data read is all 1s, no key in that row is activated and the process is moved to the next row. We can see the in detail the 4 cross 4 matrix here consists of a set of push buttons which are interconnected like in the working. We are using 4 cross 4 matrix in which there are 4 push buttons in each of the row. As shown in the diagram, there are 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we can also show there are 4 push button 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row, and the terminal of the push button are connected according to the diagram. In first row, one terminal of all the 4 push buttons are connected together. Another terminal of 4 push buttons are representing each of the 4 columns as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure, that one terminal is connected in a row and the another terminal is connected as a column. ये हमारा ये first column is like it is making the one column, it is also making the one column, it is also making third column, it is also making the fourth column. So one terminal of each is connected in a row. Same goes for each row, so we are getting 8 terminals to connect with a microcontroller, and same happening in the second row, third row and fourth row. Now how it is interfaced, it is seen like it is the LCD display, and we are using this P2 port. P2 port is used for the interfacing purpose with the keyboard, and it is the crystal oscillator for the frequency generation, and keyboard is connected with the port P1. Output is taken on the LCD is connected on the port P2 while the keyboard is connected on the port P1. As shown above circuit diagram, to interface keypad, we need to connect 8 terminal of the keypad to any port of the microcontroller. Then how to get the location of the pressed button? We can find out that what is the microcontroller can find out what is the which key is pressed. So according to this, if key is not pressed, we are getting 1. If any key is pressed, then it will be 0. If any key is pressed, then it will detect the like this. If this key is pressed, then it will be this column will be 0. Otherwise, if any one of key is pressed, then totally it shows the 0. Otherwise, it will indicate also when pressed here also 0 come. In this manner, we can detect that this is the key which is indicating the 00. Then it is the program. We can make the such type of programs for the 8051 microcontroller for interfacing the microcontroller with the keyboard. It is representing the program that we will discuss in the programming unit, and we will do the program in the third unit. Now what is the sensor interfacing? इस तरह से अभी हमने एलईडी इंटरफेसिंग का स्टडी किया. वी स्टडी अबाउट द कीबोर्ड इंटरफेसिंग, and we are also seeing the sensor interfacing. Like we are considering the temperature sensor here for the interfacing purpose. As we know, transducer convert any physical variable into the measurable electrical signal. So here LM34 and LM35 temperature sensor are used, and these are connected like analog temperature, pressure, transducer, and and here is the microcontroller. Now temperature is detected by the LM35 sensor, and that is interfaced with the signal conditioning ADC to 8051 microcontroller, and that can detect the temperature, क्योंकि टेम्परेचर को डिटेक्ट कर सकता है. तो LM35 has the special application, and it is the complete circuit diagram of the system. Here is the microcontroller 8051, then ADC, analog to digital converter, LM35 or LM34 series, which provide the input to the ADC, and a Zener diode is also used to provide the fixed voltage across 10 feet potentiometer. Here LM336 is the Zener diode that we are using. In this way, you can see that how the temperature sensor LM35 or LM34 is connected with the 8051 microcontroller, and it can be useful in many applications. Okay, thank you very much.